你好，祝你有美好的一天。这就是频道 Celebrity News Today 247。这是今天的新闻。
Shi Aozhen's ability to carry goods was stamped by CCTV and appeared on Punctual Finance. To Water. Shi Aozhen's artist popularity index list was exposed to a decline in rankings, and detailed data overwhelmed the top to cause heated discussions. Broke the circle. Shi Aozhen's cooperative brand was exposed on CCTV News, and its influence may be recognized. Shi Aozhen's ability to carry goods was stamped by CCTV and appeared on Punctual Finance. For a long time, Shi Aozhen's appeal to bring goods has been criticized, relying on his personal influence to bring influence to the brand. All the reasons are attributed to the purchase of a fixed group of fans. If this hard condition is forced to be based on this reason, then I can only say that fan economy Shi Aozhen is a pioneer, and what has been achieved is a qualitative leap. Unlike e-commerce anchors who use discounts and benefits as attractive points, the degree of adhesion, trust, and preference between Shi Aozhen and fans, cases that are more worthy of being analyzed and studied. Why is the achievement of every business's appealing power so strong? Is it just because of the phenomenon hatched under the fan economy? I question Shi Aozhen's appeal to bring goods, but every time he came too quickly, he once again boarded the CCTV industry survey. The eyesight of the netizens this year is really not average. Are they watching with an 8-fold lens? However, as the annual 618 mid-year promotion, the transaction results on the platform are indeed attracting attention. CCTV Finance CCTV 2-channel Punctual Finance. In the report of the Service Robot Industry Survey topic, it is not difficult to find that when collecting data from the platform, the screen that appeared on the home page was the Roborock floor sweeping robot endorsed by Shi Aozhen, and it appears many times. Although the performance in the entire single product series has doubled year-on-year, seeing the endorsement of Shi Aozhen that has appeared many times in the survey, it can only be said that this transaction volume cannot deceive people. The Shi Aozhen effect brought by the small window, the size of the display area has never affected consumers to find that this is related to Shi Aozhen. Now I feel that Shi Aozhen is about to become the endorsement of these brands. Of course, the premise is that these brands are also excellent. Some time ago, I saw a new endorsement of a big V Popular Science War, saying that I finally know why these brands can afford top-tier endorsements. The paw of a small massager has applied for dozens of patents internationally. An enterprise that focuses on intellectual property rights and innovation is difficult to win. So the brand plus Shi Aozhen easily achieved a win-win situation. The reason for becoming a brand's endorsement also comes down to the fact that there is always a group of people on the social platform on standby at any time. Coals who have a high degree of adsorption and resist everything related to Shi Aozhen. It is also because of the existence of these people that people can act as quality inspectors for free, so that people can buy Shi Aozhen's endorsements with confidence. Companies are demanding higher and higher requirements for themselves. Where to find this kind of career? Black, Shi Aozhen comes with it, which is pretty good. Prior to this, Shi Aozhen had already boarded the Shishi's quarterly report. After the official announcement of the spokesperson, the year-on-year growth in performance is very eye-catching, and the most important thing is the continuous battery life. People have to sigh where the Shi Aozhen effect has passed and the strong wind blowing. These have been jokingly called by netizens, anti-black. Without words is to board the financial report of the endorsement. To be able to buy the products endorsed by Shi Aozhen on the quarterly financial report in one fell swoop, I can only say that it is great that Shi Aozhen has fans like you. Of course, some people must say cut leaks. I can only say that with Shi Aozhen's current influence in flow, if you want to unlock endorsements, you may receive softness, and you can lie down if you are not in business. The same is true for the basic gameplay of traffic incubation. Obviously Shi Aozhen did not choose this path. A person with great influence in traffic did not rush to squander traffic. No one can compare this point. It can only be said that Shi Aozhen's commercial value has just begun. End of this article. Reminder, without permission, plagiarism and infringement will be punished. To Water. Xiaozhen's artist popularity index list was exposed to a decline in rankings, and detailed data overwhelmed the top to cause heated discussions. Broke the circle. Xiaozhen's cooperative brand was exposed on CCTV News, and its influence may be recognized. 2 Water. Xiaozhen's artist popularity index list has been exposed to a decline in rankings, and detailed data has overwhelmed the top to attract heated discussions. Xiaozhen's own heat and popularity can be said to be very high, and they are among the best in the circle. It has even reached the top of many lists, even to the point of Yi Qijuchen, crushing other artists. The popularity index list of an artist who has been the champion of Xiaozhen recently suddenly changed hands. Xiaozhen slipped from the original first to third place. In addition, in the detailed data of the top 3, Xiaozhen's data crushed the 2 artists who ranked in front of him, which immediately aroused heated discussion among netizens. Many netizens said that the first 2 were suddenly flooded. But in fact, although this list shows 4 detailed data, the final result is not only calculated from these 4 data. These 4 data are listed only for the convenience of statistics, and the list will also include data from other platforms, such as Baidu Index and WX data. Therefore, the top 2 artists on this list may have any new publicity, new works or new developments in the near future, which will suddenly rise, but this is only for a while, so the editor lamented that Xiaozhen's popularity is too strong because this kind of list will rise or fall depending on whether the artist has recently promoted or new works, but Xiaozhen has always been ranked first regardless of whether there are new works, new trends or new promotions. It shows that Xiaozhen's enthusiasm in normal times is much higher than that of other artists during the peak publicity period, and other artists can also understand the various data faults. Although it's a pity that the rankings on the list were interrupted this time, but I believe it will soon be at the top of the list again. But for Xiaozhen, it is not surprising that all kinds of rankings remain at the top of the list. Xiaozhen is about to participate in a brand side co-creation event tomorrow, and the whole network will surely be heated by then. The editor is still looking forward to the co-innovation products announced by the official event tomorrow. Everyone broke the circle. Xiaozhen's cooperative brand was exposed on CCTV News, and its influence may be recognized. Xiaozhen currently cooperates with many brands, and these brands have also received a lot of dividends because of Xiaozhen's influence. The commercial value of Xiaozhen has been affirmed by the industry. Recently, some netizens discovered that Xiaozhen and the co-branded stone have appeared on CCTV's financial news, which immediately sparked heated discussions among netizens. This fully affirms Xiaozhen's influence. Compared with the big character posters released by those brands, it is the financial news and corporate financial reports that prove the artist's ability. The big character poster is only for fans. Not long ago, there was a Stone article that caused a heated discussion among netizens. The title was, "Improve Marketing Ability, Try to Break the Circle." In addition to introducing the super high sales after the cooperation with Xiaozhen, the content also reviewed that the marketing ability is the company's weakness, and consumers have a good reputation but lack marketing capabilities. The company's marketing skills need to continue to improve. It has to be said that this is the case. Compared with other brands cooperating with Xiaozhen, the difference in marketing between this brand is still very obvious. But it is also in line with the characteristics of its products, but the brand cannot completely ignore marketing. Since there are good products, why not sell them, so as to increase the brand's voice? The addition of Xiaozhen has indeed increased the brand's voice. Since the cooperation endorsement, the brand has greatly improved in terms of sales, brand reputation and market. This time on the financial news is more certain. Xiaozhen's own traffic enthusiasm is very strong, and the purchasing power brought to the brand by his endorsements is not immediate but of long-term nature. Its fan base is large and strong, but the most important thing is to be able to promote the product to the people around it. Therefore, the cooperation with Xiaozhen is not only to gain the support of the fan community, and Xiaozhen's current business resources are also very good. New endorsements continue one after another, according to the news that there will be multiple brands waiting in line for official announcements in the next few months. Look forward to it.